So, sana naman, I hope that you'll be able to see this. Hi guys! So, I got this Easy Bake from Huda Beauty. So, wala kasi dito sa Pinas ang Cherry Blossom in powder but compact lang talaga. As you can see, my face is very oily. This has been probably 8 or 12 hours. So, ayan, very, very oily. Magko-concealer lang ako konti dito kasi parang nawala na. And I fell asleep. I know I'm not supposed to sleep kapag may makeup ka, pero I was so tired. So, i-conceal ko lang to konti. Ayan. Sobrang pagod talaga ako and kasi may shooting ako. But secret na yon. Sobrang exhausted ko pero super saya ng shooting, guys. And yeah, it was really worth it. So, excited. Nabili ko siya sa Look. Sa mall